Yung mga sumisikat ngayon sa TikTok, ang tinatawag nila dito is rental arbitrage.
Yes.
Familiar ka?
Yes.
So, rental arbitrage, it's like you're trying to lease a property, tapos ikaw yung magpaparent ng short term,
Yeah.
diba? So, what's your take on this? Kasi maraming millennials nagtatry nito eh.
That's really good opportunity. Actually, gandang gawin yun, especially if you have the skill, you have the manpower, and you're dedicated. Okay gawin yun, Airbnb.
If, for example, gusto mo ng additional income pa, okay, kukuha ka ng condo, linis mo siya ng long term, at balak mo siyang i-rental arbitrage, which part of Metro Manila would you choose?
Well, ako, of course, BGC.
BGC.
But you have to think also the Airbnb policies in BGC. I think some of the areas and buildings, they don't allow. Pero ako kasi, gusto ko yung market ng foreigners.
Kapag kunyari gusto ko mag-rental arbitrage, ano yung mga skills na tingin mo dapat meron sila before they try it out?